Tagore. It's about the nature. And also you call that as a love. As you know, our poet, they are always lover boy image. Even the Shakespeare, I guess so. So this is a beautiful song. Purono shei diner kotha bhulbi ki re hai. How can you forget even of the good old days, dear? The glimpse of each other's spirited chatting are unforgettable. Come once more, my friend, come into my heart. We'll talk about the joy and sorrows to soothe heart. We've collected the flowers at dawn, played and swung a lot, sung and flute and under the buckle tree. That happens to separations, alas, we got diverged. When we've got a chance to unite once more, come into my heart. He's calling you to come into his heart. This is one of my favorite songs. I remember when I was very young, I used to sing this song and float around like this with my little frog. What a fantastic tabla he played. So, big round for Piyash, please. Thank you.
DesiBlitz.com